Lain rumah sejak oleh seikan all dia dilihat dan membutuhkan Tripoli bermasalah ये फर्क है और पहले भी 1967 में जब क्यों देश ने अपना अधिकार के लिए जमीन के अधिकार के लिए एडीसी मांगा था एडीसी बिल पास हुआ तभी बाबू बंदियान और सीपीएम का आपकी है उस समय भी विरोध करता था अभी भी विरोध कर रहा है उस समय भी मिलेगा नहीं यही होगा ये बोल रहा था लेकिन के लिए अंदर से बाहर से चेहरा खराब करने का कोशिश किया
This is a speech to tell our people that we may be sharing a government, but our ideology, our goal is always first for our community and our people. There is no election in sight, but it is very important to tell your people that you are still as committed as you were when you were out of power, and today when you may be in power, yet you have not changed your position. I think that is very important, and that was the message today.
We've seen in the...
See, it's not our job to keep quiet when our people are suffering, especially when our students are suffering. I'm not here because I got voted to keep quiet. If I feel that there is something wrong, if our party feels that there is something wrong, we may be ministers, we may be in alliance, but it is our duty first to speak for our people. And that is what we have done. And if the government realizes that addressing the concerns of our students and of the tribal people in the ADC will be good for the whole state of Tripura, then I don't see it as any reason. We are not asking anything for our personal benefit. We are asking for solutions so that our children don't have to appear in exams which is not conducive for them.
Exactly. I have seen in the last
Strategic move means that I don't get emotional and tell you my next move. So I will do whatever I have to do. I'll not share it through the media. But one thing is very clear, I will not betray my people. And if I have to do politics, I will do politics with politicians, but not with the poor people in the villages who have given us so much support. I am very clear on that.
What is your stand on it?
I think Bangladesh is a failed state. I think the whole state is run by an 85-year-old man and young students who are radicals. And the way Muhammad Yunus going to China and threatening India and especially the Seven Sisters, saying we are landlocked and come, I think Muhammad Yunus should realize that Bangladesh has been created only 50 years ago, and it was created with the help of India. And if today China will never support Bangladesh and anger a country like India, because India is too big a market for China to lose just to make Bangladesh happy. And let's not forget Chittagong Hill Tracks. The tricolor was flying there for 3 days till they realized that they were part of East Pakistan. So the people there are a lot of indigenous people in Bangladesh. There are Tripuris, Garos, Khasis, Kukis, Manipuris and Chakmas, and they have the same sentiment as we have. And I don't think Bangladesh, and especially Mohammed Yunus, is doing a wise thing by indirectly trying to threaten our country. India is way too powerful for Bangladesh to actually indirectly threaten Northeast by saying we are landlocked. Will you study the bill? I think that sentiments of all communities must be protected. Today it is the Waqf board, but tomorrow something similar may happen with the Gurudwara. It may happen with the temples. We've seen it in some places. So I think the government should actually ensure that there is transparency in whatever they do. I've seen I've only read, I've not gone through it in detail, but I do believe that the sentiments of the Muslim community should also be respected and a middle ground should be created. Let's be very honest. The Muslims in India rejected Jinnah's two-nation theory and stayed in India. So I think we should also appreciate that point.